Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we are presenting some ideas on metal wine storage. Metal wine storage ideas have become increasingly popular in recent years as wine enthusiasts and collectors recognize the benefits of using this sturdy and versatile material to store their prized bottles. From elegant wine racks to innovative storage solutions, metal offers a unique blend of functionality and aesthetics that can enhance any wine cellar or display space. One of the key advantages of metal wine storage is its durability. Unlike traditional wooden racks that can be susceptible to warping and damage over time, metal wine racks are built to withstand the test of time. High-quality metal racks are often constructed from materials such as stainless steel or wrought iron, ensuring they are resistant to rust and corrosion. The longevity ensures that your wine collection remains safe and secure, allowing you to savor your favorite bottles for many years to come. Metal wine racks come in a wide range of designs and styles, making it easy to find one that complements your interior decor. For a modern and sleek look, opt for minimalist metal wine racks that can showcase the bottle's labels while occupying minimal space. These contemporary designs are perfect for small apartments or modern homes where space is at a premium. On the other hand, for a more classic or vintage aesthetic, ornate wrought iron wine racks can add a touch of elegance to any wine storage area. The intricate detailing and craftsmanship of these racks turn wine storage into a statement piece that exudes sophistication and charm. If you are looking to maximize the storage capacity of your wine collection, consider modular metal wine racks. These versatile units can be stacked or assembled in a various configurations, allowing you to customize the storage layout to fit your available space. Additionally, some modular metal racks come with expandable features, enabling you to add more sections as your collection grows. For those who wish to create a showcase for their wine collection, metal wine display racks are an excellent choice. These open-style wine racks allow you to exhibit your finest bottles with pride, turning your wine collection into a conversation piece for guests and fellow wine aficionados. Some metal wine display racks even include built-in LED lighting, further enhancing the visual appeal of your wine collection, drawing attention to your most cherished vintages. Metal wine storage solutions are not limited to conventional wine racks. Creative wine enthusiasts have found innovative ways to incorporate metal into their wine storage setup. For example, metal wall-mounted wine racks provide a space-saving solution that doubles as a wall of decor. These racks can be arranged in various patterns, offering a visually striking display while keeping your wine racks within easy reach. Another trend in metal wine storage ideas is the use of metal wine cages or wine lockers. These secure enclosures are ideal for collectors who wish to store their wine in shared spaces or commercial establishments. Wine lockers often feature individual compartments with sturdy metal doors and locks, ensuring each collector's collection remains safe and private. Metal wine storage ideas offer an array of benefits, including durability, versatility, and aesthetic appeal, Whether you're seeking a contemporary look or a classic charm, metal wine racks and storage solutions can effortlessly cater to your preferences. From compact wine racks to grand display setups, the possibilities with metal are vast and exciting, making it a popular choice among wine enthusiasts and collectors alike. So, if you want to elevate your wine storage experience and showcase your collection in style, consider incorporating metal wine storage ideas into your home or wine cellar. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.